This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Smith. Move-in ready open floor plan with 2 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. Recently painted in cool neutral colors with new carpet. Washer and dryer in unit. Walk-in closet in master. Great community with pool, exercise room, picnic area, play areas, and a kayak launch. Conveniently located off Del Prado close to Veterans Parkway for easy access to Fort Myers and anywhere in Cape Coral. No showings before April 5th. For more information, review the details below.